Fireworks are a cornerstone of the 4th of July celebration, and one store in particular is seeing some big sales ahead of that holiday. Our Savannah Fish, she's live at Phantom Fireworks to see how they're adapting amid the pandemic. Good morning, Savannah.
Hey, that's right. Well, canceled shows across the state and the country means that people are hosting their own shows this year right in their own backyard. And let me tell you, fireworks are flying off the shelves across the state. And to tell us a little bit about the sales here at Phantom Fireworks in Grand Rapids, I have the showroom manager, Jessica. Good morning. How are you doing?
Good morning. How are you?
Good. So tell me a little bit about these sales. I understand that fireworks, there's a shortage nationwide, but what are the sales like here specifically?
We've more than doubled our sales here and trying to keep product on the shelves so every customer. Sorry about that.
We've got a firework ghost. They're literally flying off the shelves.
They are flying off the shelves. Yeah, we're working hard to try to keep them on there.
So a lot of people have been coming in just to get ready. We're now 7 days away from the 4th of July. So what would you recommend that people do? When should they come in and all that?
As soon as possible, yes. We put product on the shelf yesterday, and within hours, the shelves were empty again. And we're doing the best we can to keep everything stocked. I have another shipment coming in on Tuesday to make sure that everyone can have a good 4th of July.
Yeah. Well, let's look at the showroom. I mean, this place is packed with fireworks. How are all the aisles organized, and what can people look for when they're here?
We organize all our fireworks by category, and then within the aisle, they're by price. When you get here, you'll know exactly what product you're looking for, and you can go straight to that price so that we have something for everyone's budget.
Okay, now what do we have down this aisle? I understand that this is not for the sky, this is for the ground.
Correct. These are fountains. They're very much like a water fountain where it comes out the middle, and they have a little shower of sparks and display.
Awesome. So you really have something for everybody. Now, one thing that I do want to talk about is the way not everyone's always hosting fireworks shows in their own backyard, but there's definitely a way to do it correctly and politely for your neighbors.
Of course, always let your neighbors know when you're going to light off fireworks so that we're respectful of anyone suffering from PTSD, any animals that have noise sensitivities. In Grand Rapids, you can't light fireworks until tomorrow, and you only have until 11:45. Make sure you're on your own property or have permission of the property owner when you do so.
Awesome. And then if we take a turn over here, this is actually the grand finale section, 500-gram repeaters. Is that right?
Correct. Okay. Yes, you nailed it.
All right. I'm a fireworks specialist this morning. But seriously, for people that really don't know much about fireworks or hosting their own show, is it easy to come in here and map out a show? I mean, do you guys have people here to help?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Anyone is always available to help. We also have videos of most of our fireworks, so you can scan the QR code on the firework, or you can go to fireworks.com, and there will be a video to show you exactly what it does and for how long.
Awesome. And last but not least, I mean, you guys obviously make the fireworks show grand, but most importantly, safety. I mean, what do people need to keep in mind to make sure that their friends, family, and also little kids stay safe?
Absolutely. We recommend that only adults are handling anything with fire from beginning to end. Always have a running hose or a bucket of water nearby. Never touch the firework immediately after it's finished. It will be hot, and we don't want anyone to get hurt.
All right, and also keep in mind, if you are hosting a show, you can only do it starting tomorrow until 11:45. That's a cutoff time, and you will be fined if you do it past then. So another note to keep in mind. Of course, we'll have more information on fox17online.com, so make sure you head over there and stay with us throughout the morning. But for now, live in Grand Rapids, Savannah Fish, Fox 17 News.
Savannah, thanks for that information.